How to customize categories in Mint. First of all, open your Mint account and go to the Transactions tab where all your spending is listed. Here, you can see each transaction categories automatically by Mint. To customize these categories, click on any transaction you want to change. A detailed view will open, showing the current category assigned. Next, click on the category field and scroll through the list to find the category that best fits the transaction. Mint offers many preset categories like groceries, entertainment, bills, and more. If none of the existing categories are right, you can create a custom category by selecting Add a category at the bottom of the list. After choosing or creating your category, save the change. This will update the category for that specific transaction. Mint will remember this preference and try to assign the same category automatically to similar future transactions, which helps keep your budget organized. If you want to manage all categories at once, go to the budget section in Mint. Here you can rename categories, merge them, or delete categories you no longer need. This feature is useful if you want to simplify your budgeting or tailor it to your spending habits. And that's it. Now you know how to customize categories in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.